BMW proudly presents the powerful 2024 i7 M70 xDrive edition. Constructed within BMW's Dingolfing facility in Germany, this vehicle is set to launch internationally in the latter half of 2023 with its grand premiere at Auto Shanghai's Global Motor Expo. The i7 M70 xDrive showcases BMW's most formidable electric engine yet. By enhancing the rear axle motor's power density by 25.5% compared to the i7 xDrive 60, the automaker has made significant strides. The power surge results from doubling the excitation windings in the electric motor from 3 to 6. The rear motor generates 483 horsepower, which combines with the front axle motor's 255 horsepower to yield a total output of 650 horsepower and all-wheel drive capabilities. Sport mode engages the powertrain, generating 748 pound-foot of torque. When the driver activates M Sport Boost or M Launch Control, torque increases to 811 pound-foot. This electric sedan boasts a swift 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration time of 3.5 seconds, making it BMW's fastest entirely electric model. The top speed is electronically capped at 155 miles per hour. According to the US EPA's test procedures, this provides the EV with an estimated range of up to 295 miles. BMW's Max Range mode, a new addition to the i7 M70, is designed for emergency situations, limiting the vehicle's top speed to 56 miles per hour and conserving comfort features like climate control and heated seats. This mode helps extend the remaining charge. The high-powered i7 comes standard with a 2-axle air suspension featuring auto self-leveling and electronically controlled dampers. The i7 M70 boasts integral active steering and active roll stabilization. Blue M Sport brakes adorned with the M logo ensure the 5,929-pound i7's stopping power. The optional M Performance Professional package includes black painted calipers. Distinct M-specific elements such as side skirts, logos, shadowline trim, and black twin-spoke exterior mirrors accentuate the i7 M70. A model-specific rear apron and diffuser insert decorate the back. The M Performance Professional pack adds a black M rear spoiler, a black accent strip between the taillights, a black grille surround, and a black rear apron inlay. BMW offers the i7 M70 xDrive in M-exclusive exterior colors and matte finish frozen paints. At launch, two-tone finishes will be available, including a BMW individual liquid copper and sapphire black combination. The i7 will come in 8 two-tone variants and over 100 BMW individual paint colors. BMW has yet to disclose specific pricing information for the forthcoming 2024 i7 M70 xDrive. As the vehicle's production commencement approaches, the automaker will unveil these financial particulars. With the base i7 model priced slightly north of $120,000, it's reasonable to anticipate that the i7 M70's cost will exceed that sum.